So hello guys, Yassuz back with another video, and today in this video we'll be talking about how can you install MIUI 8 ROM in OPPO A37f guys. So guys, this ROM is very much stable guys. Day-to-day things such as camera, Wi-Fi, flashlight and calls etc. works fine in this ROM. So guys, this ROM was actually ported by my friend Kosett at xdadevelopers.com, and he ported the ROM and there were some major bugs such as camera, some audio issues by call and some small issues. So I just fixed that camera bug and small issues and made this ROM stable guys. So guys, now it's here guys. So now let me show you that some camera shots. So you can see here guys, the camera is working fine. Now let me take another picture. So you can see that the camera is working pretty much good, as same as stock ROM. So let me record a video and show you guys. So video recording is also working fine here, no issues with. And let me play the video and show you. Okay guys, you can see here it's working fine. And guys, let me show you a call. So that was the call proof guys, that the call also works in this ROM guys. So now let me show you that this is OPPO A37f. So you can see here guys, it's OPPO A37f and it's the MIUI 8 global version installed. So now let's move to the installation procedure of this ROM. So guys, first of all download the MIUI ROM, link given in the description, and reboot to the TLBRP recovery. If you haven't installed TLBRP recovery yet, or haven't rooted your device, or haven't unlocked the bootloader, there's video tutorials link in the description and you can check it in the I button too. So now let's reboot to the TLBRP. So it's here. So guys, click on the wipe button and click on advanced wipe. Now just select these partitions and just slide. So we have wiped everything correctly. Now let's move back and click on the install button, and now browse where you have downloaded the ROM. Just click on the ROM and swipe. Now wait until the ROM gets installed. So now the ROM is installed, let's reboot. Now I'm fast forwarding the video. Okay, so now the ROM is booted. Now just select the language, click on this button, click on skip. The ROM will lag at startup. Now click on next, again next. Now click on no. Click skip, click OK, again next. Again next, just wait here. Select anything you want. Click next. You can see here guys, the ROM is lagging now, but it will get smooth within 1-2 days. So you can see here guys, the ROM is installed. So bye guys, please like and subscribe.
In the fucking trap like